Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Noelle and I do unboxings here, mostly lifestyle subscription boxes, but also some stationery, books, beauty, jewelry, and even a dash of Disney. So if you like unboxings, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. As always, if you're already subscribed, thank you again so much for being here and welcome back. Do be on the lookout for some surprise giveaways as we move into the final month of 2020. They will be hidden in some videos, so you have to stay tuned and check them out. Today though, I have a new box to the channel and I'm so excited to share it with you. It's called Colorful Cute, and in case you couldn't already tell by the name, it's kind of a kawaii subscription. So here's this adorable little unicorn that's stamped on the front. So it is everything that is colorful and cute as a combination of stationery and lifestyle items. It is $34.99 plus $3.50 in shipping. This box was sent to me for review and I'm so excited to get into it and see all of the colorful and cute things. So right inside, I'm just seeing a little note that says Happy Mail on it. There's always a theme, and I think that might actually be the theme for November. So it says Cute Life November 2020 Happy Mail Edition. Several of you requested a card making kit, so here's the Happy Mail box. I looked for items that were different than what you might expect. They work well with the existing sticker, tape, and pen collections many of you have. Most of these items aren't even available in the shop yet, so she does have a shop if you want to buy individual items. And then she has everything listed. It looks like we got 6 different items, and then it's kind of cool. There's even a little QR code here for some tutorials on how to use some of these items. There aren't any retail values, but I have a feeling we're definitely going to get our money's worth for this little bundle of goodies. So inside I've got some lavender tissue paper. There's a couple of little sparkly stars that I'll just get out of the way, a little confetti to decorate my floor here in the office. And then inside I'm seeing all kinds of things. There's a little pouch and some other fun things to help us in our card making. I used to be really into card making and I thought I would get more into it, but I just have such limited space in my office and time is really short. But I do love the fun of making cards as well as receiving handmade cards. I just think it's such a nice touch and definitely something that I feel like some of us might have a little bit more time for this season. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the little silky pouch just because of course it's intriguing and it is a nice reusable pouch. So let's see what we've got here. Couple little items. One looks like a little silver spoon, so I'm not exactly sure what that is. Maybe it's for like a glitter or something, but maybe it goes with whatever else is in this little pouch. So I'm pulling out a bunch of stuff. Well, we've got a little like tea light here, and the tea light I believe is so that we can do like wax stamp. So we have this nice little wax stamp. Let me show it on the side where you can actually see through. And then I'm guessing that these little colors are probably different stamps to use as a seal, and they came in a bunch of fun colors, and that's probably what the spoon is all about. So it almost looks like little cut pieces of crayon. We've got some silver, some really pretty blues, some gold. I'll have to read exactly how to use that. So it says, let's see. This is the wax seal starter kit. Melt 2 to 3 beads of wax in the spoon over the candle. That's what it's for. Pour the wax onto the paper and press down with the seal. Let the seal sit a few seconds before pulling away. I love wax seals. I think it is just a touch of elegance with your cards. And it looks like this one is nice and simple. Let me make sure it's screwed in there. And it's just got a little bow as the stamp. So that's really, really cool. I'm happy to have that. And that's definitely something that I can do to up level my holiday cards if I ever get around to sending them out this year. All right, so what a cute little kit. I thought that was awesome. So the next thing is something by Versa Magic. It's in the color of eggplant and it just says Dewdrop. I'm guessing it's like a little stamp pad. So yes, this is a Tsukineko Dewdrop Versa Magic ink pad, considered to be one of the best ink pads on the market. These dewdrops make it easy to ink your stamp without smudging. Also great for blending. All right, so I've never actually used one of these, but if any of you have, let me know in the comments below. Those of you who are really into like your bullet journals and your planners and you know how to use all these fancy things. Ooh, this is really cool. So it's like an acrylic pad, so this is great. So this is a clear stamp block. It says a larger size than I usually carry. This block lets you put together stamps in a creative way. Grid lines keep things straight. So that is so helpful for crafting and lining everything up. So I'm not sure how you actually would use that. I guess you do it over the sheet or maybe under. I'm not really sure how you use it so you can actually see and make sure that your stamps are going in the right spot. So I'll have to use the QR code and see a tutorial for that, but that seems like something very helpful. So I'm glad to have it. And then we've got something again from Sukineko, Shimmer Spritz. So this is this, and it says this is a shimmer spritzer. Use this spritzer to add some shine to your handmade cards. Spray it wherever you want some sparkle. So this is awesome. It's like a little mini like spray paint to give things a little bit of sheen. So I think that is an awesome item. I have to figure out how to use that clear stamp block. All right, ooh, this is nice. So we've got a bunch of note cards, so we don't have to go out and get the card stock to get our decoration started. So it says these are blank cards and tags sampler, 6 blank cards and 6 blank gift tags in assorted colors that are perfect canvases for your new creations. So I love that. That is so cool. So we've got a couple different gift cards in different colors and sizes or shapes. So we've got one in the craft brown, we've got one in like a nice cream and then white, and then in this other cute round shape with like a scalloped edge we have those same 3 colors. So that's really nice. I'm sending most of my gifts. Obviously I'm not seeing as many people in person this year, so it'd be nice to have little gift tags so I can send all of the gifts to each family in one big box and then have all of the cute little handmade gift tags, which I think is really nice. And then we've got a bunch of different colors for our blank cards, which I like as well. We've got a purple, a pink, a red, kind of a brown, white, and gray. So you don't have to use them all just for the holidays. You can kind of spread it out throughout the year to make that work. And they are a really nice quality, a little bit thicker than construction paper, but not like shiny. So you're actually going to be able to write on them, which is also really important, of course. And then finally, we have one more little item that's kind of nestled in here. I'm gonna have to see if I can use the tissue paper to pull it out, and there went all those silver stars all over my floor. So this is a clear stamp sheet. Peel off your stamp of choice and stick it to the clear block for a versatile stamping experience. That's what we do. That's how we create a stamp. That is so cool. So here are the different stamps, and they are clear. So you use them and you put them on that stamp block. So you're basically creating your own stamp block. So you can put them in any sort of arrangement. Ah, that's so cool. So that makes so much more sense. So you use these in conjunction with one another. So you can kind of see, you guys, how that works. So they are actually putting one of these stamps onto the clear block, and that's how you use those grids to make sure everything's lined up nicely. And then you're basically creating your own stamp. So you get to use all of these different designs, and those are all really helpful and good for year round. Again, we've got lots of hearts and love and a little present and lots of like blank spaces to put people's names. So that is really cool, and that now makes so much more sense. I think I just saw the grid lines and I was thinking of like a craft table where you use that to line things up. I didn't understand that you use these together to create a stamp. So that is such a cool thing, and she was totally right. These are things that I wouldn't necessarily expect to receive in a card making kit, except for, of course, the blank cards and tags. I love the wax seal set. That's probably my favorite. I think the like spray shimmer is a great idea. I have to figure out exactly how to use this, because I guess maybe because it's on a pad, then you can kind of like go over the stamp instead of putting the whole block onto the stamp. This is probably a cleaner way to ink your stamp. That's what I'm guessing. Again, let me know, you guys, if you have any experience with this kind of stamp making. So if you enjoyed this video, I do hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Definitely check out Colorful Cute. I hope to get it again so that we can see some other like cute and colorful items that aren't just in this sort of theme, this stationery theme. Hopefully I'll see you all very, very soon in my next unboxing.